returning from Bangkok, we have spent the entire morning sorting out our next adventure.
We have booked flights to Australia.
Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo!
That was a very stressful time.
So, we knew Australia was going to be expensive, but there's such a big culture shock from coming from here to going there versus if you went straight there from England, because we've been paying like £12 a night for hotels. You struggle to find a hotel for under £100 a night in Australia. So basically this morning we've spent almost as much as what it has cost us to travel for the last 8 weeks, and that's only for 2 weeks of accommodation. So we're still working on our next adventure, but Australia,
But we're going.
yes, finally. It was always the plan,
Yeah.
but we just needed to do it, and I think we're ready to do it as well now.
I'm so ready for it.
So babe, what is happening today?
Today we're going to go back to Chatuchak Park, or it might be a different park, I'm not quite sure, but the one with the butterflies in it.
Yeah, we missed it by like 5 minutes last time, so
we're going to go back and go see the butterflies.
yeah.
Have arrived at Chatuchak Park. I don't actually know how you say it.
That is nuts.
And we're heading to Bangkok's butterfly and insectarium.
Let's hope it's open this time.
Don't need to go in there, there's loads out here.
Right, I'm passing the reins over to Dave. Let's go in. So I must admit, we thought you might have to pay for it, but actually it turns out it's completely free. Entrance to the parks is free. So it's a really good thing to do if you want to take the kids out for maybe like an hour or so. But included with the size of the parks, you could be here all day. It was okay in there, very humid obviously, but there wasn't a lot of butterflies that we could see, and actually we probably saw just as many on the walk in here as we did inside. So maybe a little bit of a disappointment from that side, but it's quite interesting to see the amount of insects and bugs that they've got in a little museum that you go in before the main area with the butterflies in it. So definitely recommend it, and yeah, it's completely free, so it's worth a visit.
It was really gloomy when we left, and now it's baking hot. It's nice to try and get a bit of a tan though.
Yeah, you're gonna get one today. It's like being in the oven.
We saw a sticker on the MRT trains saying there's some sort of art thing at one of the stations, and it's literally the station next to where we just got off. So we're gonna head there now and just see what that's about. I think hopefully it's another free thing to do. We looked around all the restaurants down in the bottom floor, and they're quite expensive, like 300-400 baht for a meal. But we did find a little food market, and we got pork something or other for 10 baht. Quite nice, quite sweet.
You know what Jordan's like when she's hungry, she will not stop talking about food.
It's not me.
So we've got something else. So this was 15 baht, it's some chicken.
Not very nice.
It's pretty plain. It's like barbecue maybe? It doesn't taste of a lot, but it's alright.
Let's go see some art. Underwhelming. I don't really know what I expected, but not that. That was just people like you can buy people's art basically. Not that much to see. Today has been quite underwhelming. Butterfly thing, there wasn't many butterflies. The art wasn't really what we were expecting. My highlight of the day was probably seeing the squirrel jumping around. Now we're just going to go back and do some work. So today was a bit underwhelming. We still had a good day, but it just wasn't really what we expected. So we have decided to treat ourselves tonight and celebrate us getting our tickets for our next adventure.
we are going to head out to a restaurant right now. It's about half an hour walk away, and we are gonna get pie and mash. Oh, it's a dish that when we were back home we used to eat all the time. We love it so much, and we've really missed it the last 8 weeks that we've been away. So we're gonna reward ourselves tonight. Apparently it's one of the best places to get pie in Bangkok. There aren't many at all. We've come to the Roadhouse Barbecue, a smokehouse and grill restaurant. It's right next to Lumpini Park, and it is a little bit expensive, but I'm hoping the food's going to be totally worth it. It's got a really cool vibe in here, so it looks very American and looks like a proper steakhouse restaurant you might get in America. They've got loads of Christmas decorations up as well. And we've ordered pie and some cokes as well. So the pie, the waiter actually said you need to wait a little bit because they need to cook it, which it's not normal. Normally it's quite quick, so I'm quite happy to wait 20 minutes, I think he said, for the pie to cook. So can't wait to see what this is like. Very excited.
One thing I will say is that it smells amazing, but it's not a lot of gravy. I love my gravy. It's not a lot. But why am I trying to tease? Try some pie. Oh, nice. Very nice.
I'm so excited for this. Get a bit of mash. Oh my god, that is so nice.
That was amazing. The beefy was like proper steak and very tasty, and it was just really, really nice.